it's your girl Daja, and today we're gonna do some Valentine's makeup. So cheers. Alright, so today we're gonna do another creative makeup look, and I'm a little nervous. So let me tell y'all some tea. I got a Valentine's Day shoot coming up, and I just really want to practice so I don't look like a fool that I am. Y'all see her? I want it. I want it on my face. I also like the half eyebrow, but I wanted to give Valentine's Day.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body look is unpolite. Don't be in the humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Holding hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy.
Okay, this is what I have so far. I really don't know what I'm gonna go for. I really want to do hearts all over the place. We're gonna do it. We could do this. I just need the swoop-a-doops to go into the heart.
Top of the memory I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my own mama.
Y'all, what y'all think? Let's get a close-up.
I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood.
See y'all next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.